G'day everyone. Today we're going to look at Screencast-O-Matic, and basically this is a program that can be downloaded from this site, Screencast-O-Matic, and it allows you to record what's on your screen. Now this is basically how I've been making my videos so far, and I think it's a really great tool for explaining concepts. Now I've been using it in the context of showing how to use IT skills, but you can actually use it for any type of concept you want to show in your class, which could be of a template that is on your computer. So if I was going to show around a concept to my class, it's not really computer related, but more something documentation, I could go and bring up, for example, a Gantt chart. Now, we do Gantt charts in IST. I could make a recording and show students basically how to fill out a Gantt chart. So if I was going to show them basically how to do this one, I'll just put on my teacher voice. G'day students. Today we're going to look at Gantt charts. Basically, what a Gantt chart shows is the jobs that need to be done in the project and the time you expect to spend on these jobs. So if you were going to fill out this Gantt chart, what you would do is, firstly, let's start at the beginning. Define and analyze the problem. I'm going to do a proposal. I'm going to plan to do 2 days for my proposal, and I'd fill that in. And then I do planning out my schedule. That should only take about 1 day. And you look at all the stages that should be going on and how much time should be assigned to them. So research might take a week, storyboard might take about 3 days, the calculator and game program is where I'm going to be spending most of my time, so that might take 3 weeks each, side by side, and be split up among my team. And then finally at the end we'll be doing our evaluations. Okay, and that is how a Gantt chart solves our problem. All right, switching back to Chris explaining how this works. So now that I've got that recorded, I can upload that to YouTube, or I can put it onto, save it as a specific file and put it on the network somewhere. All right, but basically students can now refer to this video in order to understand how to do Gantt charts. Okay, if I was going to show another example of how to do this, I might actually go and do it in conjunction with a Prezi. Now, one of my prezzies that I also use for explaining things is basically on storyboarding. Now, I have to usually give this Prezi in class and I talk over it while it's being conducted. Okay, but if I record this Prezi, once again, I can save it to YouTube or I could upload it to the internet. Okay, and then students can watch it and hear it explained at their own pace. So let's start this Prezi, full screen. Allow. Teacher voice back on again. G'day students, today we're going to talk about storyboards. Now when you do a storyboard, you've got to break up all your web pages into different screens. So if we look at my first page, it is my index HTML. Okay, with this index, okay, you can see it links to all my other pages here, and all its lines lead out to other pages. Okay, it is described what each page looks like, even though it's hand drawn, because remember, a storyboard is a planning tool. Alright guys, I think you all get my gist now and what I'm saying. So basically, this Screencast-O-Matic, allowing you to video what you're talking about, can really be a great tool to use with your students in helping them understand concepts and how certain things work, because basically they can hear you explain things outside the classroom. So I hope you give it a try.